In this world, brain has more input than it can comfortably handle. It's like trying to listen to 10 conversations at once while also reading messages on your phone and keeping track of something important. Instead of carefully thinking things through, it begins to skip, skim, or even avoid processing altogether. In this state, information stops being helpful and starts becoming noise. Facts blur together. Opinions feel just as loud as truth. Everything competes for your attention. You might jump from one idea to another without finishing any of them, or feel stuck because you don't know where to focus. It's a bit like to drink from a fire hose. The problem isn't the lack of information, it's that there is too much, too fast, without enough space to pause, filter, and reflect. Remember, nature doesn't rush, yet everything gets done. A flower blooms not at once, but exactly when it's ready. Spring doesn't force life, it allows it. Maybe we don't need more input. Maybe we need more space. Space to slow down, to notice, to think, to let things unfold the way nature does.